how to find Nike promo codes. Now, in order to find Nike promo codes, you just simply need to open your browser and in there search for coupon follow. And this first link of couponfollow.com will appear. Simply open it. But also keep in mind that there are other trusted sources that could provide your coupon other than couponfollow.com. You can also use those sources as well. Now, if you have opened Coupon Follow, go to the search option. In there, search for Nike. And after searching Nike, there will be so many Nike options. You need to select the one which you need. For example, let's select nike.com, and after selecting that, you will get to see a bunch of Nike discount codes, coupon codes, or promo codes, whatever you want to call it. You just simply need to scroll down and look for the best coupon code that you can get from here. So this is how you can very easily find a Nike promo code. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.